What is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD and I'm so excited because we got another care package from STEELSERIES and they do not miss as always when it comes to the packaging. This is absolutely insane. Let's dive in. I'm really excited to take a look at this. Alright, so we got this cool little box right here and this shows STEELSERIES for Glory, and let's see what is inside. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got the new STEELSERIES Arctis GameBuds, and ooh, look at this, your new best buds, 2.4 gigahertz plus Bluetooth, none of those drops, immersive audio, none of that noise, 100 plus game audio presets, not just one. Honey, we've shrunk the gaming headset, mega performance, now in pocket size, buds you can count on in gaming and life. For Glory. That is absolutely insane. That's awesome. Alright, so we got the one for the PlayStation and multi-platform, and these are the white edition. So really cool. And there's a couple things underneath here as well. Ooh, okay, we got some control freaks. Hell yeah. We got the clutch edition. So these are both low rise on both the left and the right side. So very nice, and that goes into the white theme pretty much. Very cool, very cool. Let's see if there's something else underneath here. Ooh, some little stickers for Buddy. Okay, so for the buds, I'm assuming, oh, we got different type of eyes, which is pretty cool. They're like sparkling eyes, hard eyes, you know, different types of emotions if you're mad, cowboy style. That's pretty cool. Very neat. And STEELSERIES, of course. And ooh, this is a little carrying case. There's nothing else in here. Nope, nothing else to my knowledge. Let's see what is in here. This is a cool little STEELSERIES case with the little logo right here. Very nice. Oh, we even got it here on the little zipper. So even on the zipper, it has the STEELSERIES logo, which is really cool. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a wireless charging bank. Oh, but this has the STEELSERIES logo. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, you get a wireless power bank and I guess like a little case as well, which is really nice. Got like a little kickstand. This is MagSafe compatible. It's pretty neat. Very nice. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I'm excited to use this, but I know you guys want to get into the STEELSERIES Arctis GameBuds, so let's dive in. Let's take a look at this. So like I said, we got the STEELSERIES Arctis GameBuds. This is the PlayStation edition, well, multi-platform, and this is the white edition. So very nice, and then it uses that 2.4 gigahertz wireless plus Bluetooth active noise cancellation, which is really nice. Over 100 different presets. It seems like it comes with the USB charging case, USB-C to USB-A adapter, multiple silicone ear tip sizes, you know, small, medium, large, which is really nice. 10 plus battery life plus 30 hours in the charging case. So very nice. Okay. And then it is also IP55 dust and splash resistant, and then it has the QI wireless charging. It is for the PlayStation 5, PC, Switch, mobile, and VR. So not for the Xbox. So for the Xbox version, there are different ones when it comes to those, so make sure you get the right ones for your console. And so this also has the 360 spatial audio active noise cancellation, which is really cool. And then of course this works with the app, so we will take a look at that as well. It seems like it has that little dongle to be hooked up to your PS5 or to your PC to enable that 2.4 gigahertz. All right, let's take a look at this. Ooh, okay. Pair with mobile, connect gaming device, quick switch wireless, so 3 times to toggle to either 2.4 or Bluetooth mode. Very nice. Ooh, here we go. Alright, but let's take a look at this. So if you right tap and hold, you increase the volume. If you left tap and hold, you decrease it. And then if you do a left or right short hold, it's a mic mute. Left tap will cycle ANC mode, and then right tap will answer incoming calls, and then if you do it 2 times, it will end the call. Okay, so a little bit to learn from as far as the buttons and all that. Alright, so we got regulatory information little booklet, which I never read as far as that goes. And then we also got a USB-C to C cable when it comes to charging the case. As well, we have a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And we got different silicone ear tip sizes. I believe the large and the small and the mediums should be already on the earbuds. And then of course finally we got the GameBuds itself in the case. So this is the white edition. It seems like that there's an indicator light right here to let you know about charging. It has that wireless charging capability, which is really nice. And then a USB-C port. So very nice. And let's open this up. Ooh, very nice. Super clean. So it seems like it has the other USB for the 2.4 gigahertz capability. So yeah, this is the little USB-C dongle to be hooked up to the PS5 or the PC to enable the 2.4 gigahertz capability, which is really nice. I like the fact that it just stores away in the case. And then here is the right side of the earbuds themselves. You can see it has the little indicator light blinking, as well as it has the all white and then the medium ear tips already on it. Huh. That magnetic piece is satisfying and it is strong. Okay. Alright, let me pull up the SteelSeries little app right here. Let me remove these. There we go. It automatically detects it and pairs it. Arctis GameBuds. Would you like to pair? Yes, I would. There we go. Super simple. Very easy. I like how simple that was. Okay, so let's put one of these on. Doesn't have anything to hold on to the little tip over here. It doesn't have any like wing or anything to hold on to make sure it's a secure fit. Alright, so we go to the Bluetooth mode, we go to the EQ presets. You can see all the variety of different EQs that are presented, that is offered, all different games, you know, which is really nice. So, but I just want to play something for music. So look, there's music with bright, clear vocals, deep bass, punchiness, stuff like that. I want to do something with deep bass, so we're gonna keep that, and then we're gonna toggle. Okay, so when I toggle that, it said ANC, which is really nice, and then mid, low, high, transparency is set it, and then microphone go all the way to low, mid, and then high, side tone. Really cool. There we go. Mid, high. I'll do low. I'm gonna enable ANC. Toggle limiter on and off. And yeah, let's see. See if there's a firmware. No, not to my knowledge. Power options. So after, you know, you could go from 1 minute all the way to 90 minutes of inactivity timer to shut down. So I want to do 10 minutes. And then the wear sensor, which is really cool, so it automatically pauses audio by removing an earbud, which is cool, or continue playing. So I want to do the pausing. I want to see how well that does. Button mapping, which is really cool, so you could program these to be whatever. So I could do the left one to cycle noise control, or I could do toggle audio mode. I'm gonna do toggle audio mode. And then, so that was a single press. If I do a double press, then we'll cycle noise control. If I do the right earbud, which is cool, I could play pause next track, and then let me cycle noise control. Let me see if it shows up here so you guys can see it. There we go. So it goes to transparency mode, noise control off, and ANC mode. Very nice. Okay, yeah, it sounds really nice. I like the EQ when it comes to adding either immersion, punchiness, deep bass, or vocals. It's pretty cool. Very nice. And it's snugged into my ears. Like, I guess my ear shapes are pretty good, because the medium ones are just perfectly, you know, fit for me. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off or anything like that. Very nice. It's pretty, yeah, it's on there. It is here for sure. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. These are the SteelSeries Arctis GameBuds. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm definitely going to try this out a lot more when it comes to playing on the PS5 and when it comes to gaming on the PC, and definitely when it comes to listening to music and watching shows or movies on my phone. for sure. I definitely want to mess around with it a lot more, and I will definitely let you guys know what I think about it. But this is available for both the PlayStation and as well as there's an Xbox version, and it seems like that there's a white and a black option as well. And don't forget to use code TechHD12 to get 12% off at checkout. So there you guys have it. Thank you SteelSeries so much for the care package. I very much appreciate it as always, and I will catch you guys in the next one.